my name's Tom, and this is a quick experiment that you can try at home. What you need is a bottle of lemonade and a pack of raisins. When I open this bottle of lemonade for the first time, you will often see lots of bubbles. And those bubbles are coming out because as you open it, you reduce the pressure in the bottle. You've reduced it to atmospheric pressure. And that means those bubbles can dissolve out of the liquid. Now you may have noticed when you have a fizzy drink that the bubbles always seem to grow on the bottom or on the sides of the container. That's because bubbles need a surface to grow on. I'm going to put some raisins in this lemonade, but firstly I'm going to put my phone torch underneath it so it lights up the bottle and you can see it really effectively. So a few raisins into the lemonade. Now you can see it's created lots of bubbles, and the raisins themselves, some of them sink to the bottom, but they don't stay there. They end up moving up to the surface and back down. So why does this happen? Well, raisins are excellent at growing bubbles. They are full of wrinkles with a large surface area where bubbles can grow. And as they grow those bubbles, they create a sort of life jacket for themselves. They lower the density, and therefore they become less dense. They can rise to the surface. When they get to the surface, they lose all those bubbles to the air, and then they become more dense, and then they sink back down to the surface. And this sort of thing we can see in nature. This is how submarines and ships work. Ships have air pockets in the bottom of their hull. And submarines have air, so when they want to go up, they inflate the air tanks. When they want to go down, they get rid of the air. It's also how many ship tragedies have happened, the Titanic being one. When the Titanic struck an iceberg, it cut a hole in the side of the hull, and some of the air was allowed to escape, and therefore the ship became more dense and it sank. Now this pattern of less dense things rising to a surface and more dense things sinking can be seen throughout nature. It happens in the air. You get hotter air rising, colder air which is more dense sinking, and that helps create our weather. It happens in the oceans. Warmer water rising, cold water sinking, and that's how we get a lot of ocean currents. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please try it at home. Thanks for watching.